Hey boo, how are you? It's finally from the Brown Mommy Melts. I am literally in my PJ gown. Super tired this morning. Did not get up for my 6 a.m. morning run, but I'm about to go running soon. And why not wear some new pieces from the Buff Bunny collection to do it? Normally what I do is an unboxing and try on haul, but this time, especially since I have extra time with the pieces, I'm gonna actually try the clothes, run in them, lift in them, tell you guys my honest opinion on how I feel moving and living and doing all the things, mom and weightlifting and everything in between with these pieces. Are you ready? Let's get started. Here's everything that's in my bag. I'm gonna do this super quick because I really do want to get on my run this morning. Okay, so I only have owned one scrunchie from Buff Bunny and now I own two. This is the Miami Vice Pink Buff Bunny scrunchie and they're super awesome. I wear braids a lot and so they're great for that. They hold my curly hair just perfect. And sometimes I like to just accessorize with them and sometimes I actually use them to hold my hair. They're a great piece. Here we go. This is the Scalloped Rosa Legging Miami Vice Pink. I love Miami Vice Pink. This color is everything. You guys know I love pink, right? Somebody at HQ knows I love pink. So somebody at HQ I think knows that I love pink too. So this is a large. I wear a large in everything. So the scalloped detail at the top is very new for the Rosa leggings. And so I'm interested to see how this fits on my body, especially because I have loose skin. Is it going to cause muffin top? Is it going to flatter me? Because the regular Rosa leggings, they do flatter me. So I'm very curious to see for myself. I also have the Scalloped Rosa Sports Bra in Miami Vice Pink. You guys, check out how cute, let me hold it up right away, how cute this bra is. Scalloped detail at the bottom, crisscross in the back. Love the Rosa Sports Bra. And so I'm excited again to see how is the scallop detail going to look on me, somebody with loose skin after major weight loss. I'm very curious. Is it going to hold its shape? It feels like it might. In my first reaction, it's soft, but it does feel, especially on the pants, a little stiffer than the regular New Braid fabric. And so maybe that's intentional. I'll have to watch behind the design to find that out. Okay, let me see. So, ooh, Bossy print. I love Bossy. I have so many pieces in Bossy. My Bossy collection, I'm in love. This is the Revolution Sports Bra in Bossy print. I am a Revolution girly. I love Revolution. Give me all the Revolutions. My favorite sports bra. Should I run in this today? I'm wondering, should I run in this today? I feel like I should. We might have to set this one to the side. I might have to run in this one today. Super soft, New Braid fabric, of course. Let's check out the pants. These are the Legacy leggings in Miami Bossy print. So we've got the Miami print and Miami Bossy print, and the scrunchie is Miami Vice Pink. I do believe there's another pink. Like I think there's several pinks, but I do think there's another pink. I think Malibu. There's Miami Vice Pink and Malibu Pink. I have Malibu Pink from the Under the Sea collection. They're also bringing back H2O blue, which I'm super excited about as well. Sorry, off track. So the difference between Legacy and Rosa is that there is a triple arch seam in the back, whereas Rosa, you just have the single arch. That's how you can tell the difference between the two if you ever get confused. Gives you just a little bit of, just a little extra. I'm wondering if I should run in this outfit. Should I do my 3 miles in my neighborhood looking like a bossy Barbie? I'm curious. The next piece that I have from this collection is the, they brought the shorts back. Oh my gosh, I'm so super excited. Let me get you guys the official name. These are the Lifesaver shorts in white. Ooh, dangerous color for a mom. But I'm excited to try these on and to see what these look like. And I feel like this will look so good paired with this. I ran out of foam space. Never done that before. So you guys completely missed everything that I had to say about my last piece. The last piece that I unboxed was the reversible sports bra in onyx black and black and white stripe. And I'm super excited about this. This bra is coming back for the 3rd time you turn it around this way. And it was in that 70s collections, courtside, and this. And I'm excited to see if they made any changes to the bra. Between that 70s collection and courtside, they did make it shorter line. And so I'm wondering if there's any adjustments between this version and that 70s collection. Maybe I'll share on stories. But the great thing about this bra is that it is like getting 2 in 1. So if you want a solid black moment, you can do this. If you want a black and white moment, you can do this. And you don't miss the bra pads, at least I don't. And if you want a bra pad, I'm sure you can steal one out of your other pieces. But I'm thinking I might wear this and this for my run, but to know for sure, you'll have to check out my Instagram. And that's everything I received in the Dreamhouse Collection. The Dreamhouse Collection will be available on this date here. I believe it's, I'll just put it here because I don't want to guess wrong. 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, my time. Convert it to your time zone. I'm not good at time zones. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned because I will have a try on and review of the pieces officially. This is just a haul. I'm very appreciative to everyone at Buff Bunny Collection for sending me another PR set. I'm super excited and thankful to everybody at HQ for thinking of me. And as always, I will talk to you guys soon. Muchos besos y mucho amor. Bye guys. Hey baby.
Hey.
Mommy's filming. Let mommy finish, okay?